Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 64 reg wheelchair adapted VW Caddy MAxi with just 12,500 miles on the clock. Direct from Motability. It's a one owner vehicle, and as you will see from this short video, it's in grade A condition, same as our other 25 WAVs that we keep in stock. A lovely grey metallic, not one of your normal colours within the WAVs. So if you are specifically looking for a grey one, it's worth trying to snap this up fairly quickly. Being a 64 reg, suitable for most taxi companies and authorities, as well as mobility users as well. Got a 5-speed manual gearbox, lovely cloth interior, dark grey inserts. Normally have the light grey inserts, but this one's got the dark grey. Also comes with Isofix seat belts for the back seat, so the early ones pre-2014 don't have Isofix, so if you do need that as a requirement, you will need to be looking at a 2014 and newer. Generally the 2015s, or even the 2014s are fairly rare on the Isofix. So there's the fixings there. Show you that it's got it. Direct from Motability, so full service history with the vehicle, included a cam belt change, so no need to worry there, even though it's done such low mileage. Got a full main dealer service record, as is with all the mobility vehicles that we have. It's an alloy conversion, so it has the fold flat ramp and the newer fold flat, easy fold flat ramp, and has the deeper floor, so will accommodate up to 58 inches on the wheelchair user, and also optional extra, the yellow webbing there is the electric winch. So if these are the sort of extras that you're looking for, I'd recommend that you maybe come and have a look sooner rather than later. Standard 4-point securing, so 2 electric belts at the front, 2 manual at the back. These ones have got the what we call the tongue and buckle fixing rather than the hook fixing, so it will accommodate slightly larger framed wheelchairs and scooters. Rear parking sensors there, along with air conditioning, electric front windows, remote central locking, alloy wheels, electric mirrors. So all the extras that you need in a wheelchair adapted vehicle. Got a stage 2 plate on it. They're almost guaranteed to pass the taxi test. If you are a taxi driver, give us a call on 01634 716 911. We'll help you get the car through with your council, as we do with all of our taxi drivers. If you're looking for finance, you can finance any vehicle. It doesn't have to be wheelchair access. You can finance these vehicles as well. We do have the odd regular vehicles that are available to us through Motability, so we can finance them for you as well. Also with a part exchange, doesn't have to be wheelchair access. Take any vehicle in part exchange, and we don't retail the vehicle, so we'll always try and get the best price for you, no problems. So a lovely looking car, this one, as is with all of our other vehicles. If you want to pop along and see them, you can do so at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL. Give us a call on 01634 716 911, or you can look on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, and for our taxi driver customers, just go www.premiertaxisales.com.